In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add audio to your Google Slides presentation, providing you with a seamless way to make your slides more engaging, dynamic, and professional. Adding audio not only enhances your audience's experience, but also allows you to convey information in a more interactive and impactful way. The best part is that this method automatically saves your audio files to Google Drive, keeping everything organized and easily accessible from anywhere. Let's dive right in and get started with this step-by-step guide. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Google Slides website. If you haven't signed in yet, enter your Google account credentials. Signing in is essential because it synchronizes your work to Google Drive, ensuring that all your slides and any added audio are safely stored and accessible across devices. Once logged in, you'll arrive at the Google Slides homepage. Here, you have the option to open an existing presentation or create a brand new one. For this tutorial, let's click on Blank Presentation to start fresh. This will open a clean slide deck ready for your creativity. Once your presentation is open, it's time to add audio. Look at the top menu bar and click on the Insert tab. This menu contains a variety of options to enhance your slides, including images, charts, videos, and audio. Click on Audio and a new window will appear, showing a list of audio files stored in your Google Drive. If you've already uploaded your desired audio file, select it from the list. If not, you'll need to upload the audio file to Google Drive first. After selecting your file, click Select to insert it into your slide. An audio icon will appear, which you can move and position anywhere on your slide to match your layout. Once added, a small settings panel will appear to the right, allowing you to adjust playback options, such as starting automatically or on click, looping, and volume. This ensures your audio complements your presentation style perfectly. Now, as you play your slides, the audio will enhance your message, making your presentation more immersive and interactive for your audience. Each time you add audio, it is automatically saved to Google Drive, keeping your files organized and accessible anytime. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully added audio to your Google Slides presentation, making your slides more professional and engaging. Experiment with different audio clips to create a unique experience for your audience. Thanks for watching and happy presenting.